Hey guys, sorry for the thing. My iPad, cause I'm filming this from my iPad and it doesn't have enough data. So unfortunately, I had to delete the last video, and yeah, I had to delete the last video to make some room. But don't worry, I will be going over all the good cards that I pulled from the packs. So without further ado, I'm just going to end off by opening 2 packs of Pendulum Evolution. So let's begin. Now, I know Pendulum Evolution has like all foils, so I'm not really going to be like surprised, but hopefully I can get some good cards so that when I'm ready to buy the box, I have enough to make an awesome deck. So I'm just going to open... Let me just get them out of here. So without further ado, let's open up our first Pendulum Evolution. Okay, so from the first one, we get a White Wing Magician, Black Fang Magician, Oracle of Zephyra. Awesome. Amazing Pendulum, and sweet Odd Eyes Absolute Dragon. So, not bad. Could have been worse, but just gonna put you there. And for the last one, let's see what I get. So I get another Black Fang Magician, Star Pendulum Graph. Not bad. Next we get a Ritual Beast Tamer Zeframpilica. I think that's how you pronounce it. We get a Metalfoes Adamante, and we end off with a Master Pendulum the Draco Slayer. So, not bad. Not the best packs I could have pulled, but still, they're better than nothing. So, I'm just going to go over all the good cards I got. So, from the 2 packs of Rivals of the Pharaoh, the only good cards I got in here were Dragon's Mirror, Magnet Reverse, along with Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. From Raging Tempest, it's a Neo Galaxy Eyes Cypher Dragon. From the Maximum Crisis, I ended up getting a True Draco Heritage, Supreme King Gate Infinity, and a Performer Pile YuGiOh Golem. And yeah, those are from the other packs that we ended up getting. And I already showed you what I got from the Pendulum Evolution. So, all in all, not bad packs. Could have been good. Could have been better. But after this, I am definitely going to buy more packs of Pendulum Evolution so I can try and make a Magician Pendulum deck. So, thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Yu-Gi-Oh videos. And I hope to see you soon. So, see ya. And have a good time.